Hey YouTube, I'm Drew from Big 3 Gaming. Today we're showing you a video tutorial on how to get the Warden's Key in Mob of the Dead at the request of one of our subscribers. So here it is. So what you do is you need 1,000 points to open a door over here. So you need to get 1,000 points. It's gonna take you about a full round. So once you have 1,000 points, you open this door here, go up the stairs and follow down the hallway. If you have a low number of people, normally it's gonna be right there. That's where it's gonna be at. But there is another place that it can be. So it's right above the warden's office, just down this hallway over here. I'll show you that in a minute. But to get the key, to lower down and deactivate, you need to put yourself into Afterlife, which I do here by holding a grenade. Then you walk over and you enter this portal here by levitating in and zap this machine. All you have to do is zap it. The key has been de-electrified and it has been lowered down to you, and then you just grab it. Now you can unlock new doors and such. Okay, so the second place that it can be is you need another 1,000 points to open this door. So once you have 1,000 points, come back and open this door and go down the stairs. It's gonna be right there. So what you gotta do is you put yourself into Afterlife again. It's the same deal. Put yourself in Afterlife, levitate up, and destroy that machine, and then the key will lower down to you so that you can grab it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and please subscribe.